Morning, Assalamu alaikum. I'm grade 3 science teacher. We are studying chapter number 11, light, sound, and force. And in this chapter, we have already done the 5 questions. And today, we are going to start the new topic. So, before that, we can discuss the previous work from there. Question number 4, we have done what is a shadow? So, what was shadow? Shadow was the dark area that was or shape that is made by an object which is blocking the light rays. And when something block the light rays, a shadow is formed, and it is formed when the path of light is blocked by any object. Then only the shadow is formed. So, in the reference of shadows, we have also studied about what is eclipse. Now, eclipse, what is the eclipse that is formed? Eclipse is the meaning of the term eclipse is that that there are three heavenly bodies. One is sun, earth, and moon. So, when these three heavenly bodies, these are made by God, they are in a straight line while revolving around the sun. If they are in a straight line, then the light from the sun is blocked by either the moon or either the earth. Then what happens? A shadow is cast, and that shadow is called eclipse. So today we are going to study about the solar and the lunar eclipse. Now solar means sun. So solar eclipse relates to the sun. In solar eclipse, we should not see directly to the sun. It will affect or harm your eyes. And what is a solar eclipse? Solar eclipse occurs when the moon is blocking the light of the sun to reach the earth. And what happens? The moon is in the middle of earth and the sun, so moon's shadow falls on the earth, and that's why on the earth we are not able to see the sun, because the moon is hiding the sun completely. You can see in the picture of solar eclipse. So and then we come to lunar eclipse. Lunar means moon. So lunar eclipse occurs when the earth blocks the light of the light from the sun, when the earth is in the middle of moon and the sun. And then what happens? The earth's shadow is falling on the moon, and that's why on the earth we cannot see the moon, because the earth prevents light from reaching and reflecting the moon. So in that lunar eclipse, we should not see directly to the moon, because it will harm or affect your eyes. So I have given question number 6, that what is the difference between solar eclipse and lunar eclipse, and I have shared the answer of this, that what is the difference between lunar and solar and lunar eclipse. So let me show you that where is the answer. The answer I have shared in the WhatsApp group also, so you can take it from there, and from there you can copy it in your copies, and you will name it as question number 6, what is the difference between solar and lunar eclipse. Also draw them. You have already drawn them before. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon blocks the light from the sun. The moon's shadow falls on the earth, while a lunar eclipse occurs when the earth blocks the light from the sun and the earth's shadow falls on the moon. This is your homework. Do it in your copies nicely. Write question number 6 with blue color and then answer like that very nicely with a good writing. This is your homework. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.